Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the LMNT Electrolytes. And in this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons to choose LMNT. Number 1, optimal hydration. LMNT Electrolytes provides a scientifically backed formula with the perfect balance of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Say goodbye to dehydration and hello to sustained energy and endurance. Number 2, zero sugar. Unlike other electrolyte drinks loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients, LMNT is committed to purity. This formula contains no sugar, no gluten, and no fillers, just clean, effective hydration. Number 3, tastes great. Enjoy a range of delicious flavors that make staying hydrated a pleasure. From refreshing citrus salt to bold raspberry, there's a taste for everyone. Number 4, perfect for every lifestyle. Whether you're an athlete pushing yourself to your limits, a busy professional needing to stay sharp, or simply looking to support your everyday wellness, LMNT fits seamlessly into your routine. And number 5, with these neat little packets, it makes it the ultimate travel companion. Easy to take on the go and fits everywhere. So check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.